Hey everybody, this week we are going to be doing the videos again in the slideshow. So I just wanted to let you know again how this kind of works. Most of the feedback was really good. You guys really enjoyed these, which makes me happy because I kind of like doing it this way as well. I like that you guys can work at your own pace and it feels more personal, like I'm actually the one teaching you guys like we would be doing in school. So this week we are doing, or actually for the next 3 weeks, these next 3 weeks, we're going to be doing y equals mx plus b, a lot of line stuff, because that's going to be super important that you remember. None of this stuff is going to be new. It's all going to be stuff that we learned when we were in school, so hopefully it's a good review. You're definitely going to need it next year when you take algebra. So Mr. Plagans and I thought it would be a great thing for us to review here for the last couple weeks.